What up, everyone? How you doing today? My name is David DeFranco, and welcome back to my gaming channel. I did not plan on recording today's video up here. Isn't Windows great? Such a terrible operating system. Seriously, I only use it for gaming. Other than that, not a fan. Anyway, yo, guys, what's up? I don't know why I'm talking like this. Normally, I would record unboxing videos downstairs in my office, right? But stupid me forgot to turn off my Rode Video Mic Pro, I think it's called. I don't know. I've had it for years, and over the time, I forget the name. But yeah, it does not have an auto-off feature. The new model does. The one I have does not auto-turn off. So I literally left the microphone powered on for days, guys. Days. I sat down to unbox this, and it was just dead. So here I am. I figured, you know what, David? You have this set up. Take advantage of it. Record during the daytime. Like, it's very rare you guys see actual daylight behind me. Unless, of course, you're brave enough to watch my streams on the weekends till literally 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning, which is absolutely crazy. Anyway, for the non-regulars, they're probably like, David, shut up. And you know what? I agree. David, shut up. Get to the unboxing. Shout out to my dude, Rivals. He was so nice enough to get me this, the brand new PlayStation 5 DualSense controller in purple. Yes, this beautiful purple. I cannot find it in stores. I think it's online only. That's what somebody said in my YouTube comments recently. Because I've seen the white one. Obviously, that's the basic one. I've seen the black one. I've seen the blue one. I've seen the pink one. The pink one's beautiful. Like, honestly, I wouldn't mind having that one either. Because it's just me in this house. You know, it's just me. But there's something about owning multiple controllers and going from color to color to color that's just very satisfying for me. For example, Xbox, in my opinion, has some of the best looking controllers in the world. Like, they're just beautiful. I mean, guys, how can you not like this Minecraft pig? Look at that. That's so great. Anyway, Rivals, dude, thank you again. I believe you don't want any link below, but if you change your mind, please let me know. Like, if you want your Twitter, Instagram, your OnlyFans, you know, what, I'm just kidding about the OnlyFans, but maybe you have one. I don't know, dude. I don't know you personally. But seriously, dude, hit me up because I cannot thank you enough. Anyway, guys, so today's unboxing is going to be kind of weird because it's hard to unbox products in front. I mean, actually, technically behind a microphone. But I'm going to do my best, and I apologize for not recording this downstairs. Trust me, I'm pretty mad at myself. But it's a controller, you know? I mean, it's not different from the ones I have now, except for the color. And, well, let's face it, the color, it's kind of everything when it comes to design, you know? It's kind of everything. And that's exactly why I'm so excited to unbox this. Here you go, you guys can get some ASMR. Ready? Here we go. That's as ASMR as it gets on this channel, guys. I don't have the patience to unbox this properly right now. It's been a long day. I got like 4 hours of sleep, hence why I look like crap. Guys, I literally woke up. I mean, that's what you generally do, right? Hopefully. Couldn't get back to sleep, so I was like, all right, I'm just going to get my day started. I had my coffee, and I went off to Goodwill to do some sourcing for my eBay business. And man, eBay is a lot of work, guys. It keeps you busy. Definitely keeps you busy. Okay, so here we go, guys. The DualSense in purple. You get a little bit of documentation, which you don't need. You get another little box inside. You get this protective wrapper. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that controller design, guys. That is, dare I say, gorgeous. Seriously, that's really nice. Ironically, it kind of looks like a Twitch purple. But yo. So here's the comparison. Cosmic red, which in my opinion has always been more of like a pinkish red, right? Look at that. Which I guess that's why they call it cosmic red. If the camera's going to focus. It's not meant to focus on things like this. There you go. Not bad. And there's the purple. Radically different designs, guys. Radically different. And of course, here's the default white, which I'm still a huge fan of. I love white controllers, always have, always will. I just love the white to black contrast. I think it looks amazing, and this is definitely my most used controller. But I gotta be honest, I have not been playing my console as much in my living room, just simply for the fact that eBay has been keeping me so busy, guys. Seriously, so busy. So maybe I'll use this controller unboxing as an excuse for tonight. You know, David, just sit down, relax, and plus my listing is done for the day. My photo taking is done for the day. I went sourcing this morning. I don't think I want to go sourcing again tonight, so maybe I will just stay home tonight, and you know what? Maybe I'll DoorDash. Guys, it's been a while since I've DoorDashed. So yeah, I think I'm going to DoorDash and just spend some quality time with my brand new DualSense controller, and I'll find a new game to play on PlayStation 5. So Rivals, dude, thank you again for this. I really love it. It's beautiful. Honestly, guys, if I were to buy another color myself, and this is not, guys, this is not me asking for anything. Please, you have done enough. I'm just throwing this out there. My next two colors that I have my eye on are black. I know, boring, just black, but I think black looks beautiful. You know, it's got like a stealth look going on, and pink. The blue one's okay. You know, honestly, I would prefer a slightly darker blue, like maybe a navy blue, which I guess honestly wouldn't be that far off from this. So I guess that's why they went that route. But yeah, black and pink are my next choices. But as a single guy who lives in his house by himself, you gotta ask, how many controllers do I need? More. Anyway, dude, Rivals, thank you very much. This damn cable. Seriously, you just helped me greatly extend my PS5 DualSense controller collection. Because, guys, let's not forget, you're going to see it at the end of this video, I do have a video game controller holder. If you've not seen it, click it on the end screen in a few moments. Excellent holder. And now I have 3 slots to take up. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Rivals, thank you again. Seriously, dude, you're incredible. From the controller to all the super chats you've been sending, to the viewerships and the likes on my streams. I appreciate it. I really do. You're there pretty much every time I stream. And guys, I notice the regulars. Seriously, I'm not just saying that. I do notice the regulars. I think about you guys off stream. Not to sound creepy, but I'm just grateful to have you in my life. I really am. And it's not just because you send me stuff. It's because you're there for me, you know? You're consistent, and I do notice that. So thank you so much. You guys are amazing. And well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.